Okay, so the wagon, it was raining one Sunday evening, and there's somebody in the car that I really wanted to impress. So we were at a red light, put it in first gear, popped the clutch, did a nice horrible launch, and the muffler fell off. Muffler fell off, and it started scraping on the ground. And it got scraped. It is heavy, but it is like in good shape. But then I took it to the muffler shop and they said it's heavy because it's all corroded inside. So they said it'd be like $240 to put it together. They will not guarantee it, and then they said $1,400 for a new exhaust, and I was just like, so fuckity fuck. I'm gonna try to put a new exhaust together. Now that we're putting a new exhaust together, we want to keep it. I think we decided 2.5 inch. We're gonna get like the Amazon stainless kit. Here we have the muffler, Magnaflow, 2.5 inch. We're gonna pull the cat out because since it's a OBD1, this one's nice. This is a vibrant 2.5 inch straight through resonator, and then the pipe kit just came in. Ooh! See if I can't grab a knife. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, whoa! They got straight. How thick is this? I'm really curious to see how thick this is. Ooh, it's pretty thin. But they've got. So maybe we could work it. So we got this. We got some views. We got some 90s. Okay. Let me put my knife down so I don't stab myself. Alright, so it looks like we got 4 or 4 foot pieces. 1, 2, 345s. 4 90s. And 4 U's. This is going to be fun, but more importantly, I don't even think I'm going to be able to do this. I think that's where the fun part comes in. All right, let's go. There it is. No flanges or anything yet. I think I wanted to go V-band, but just want to get the car up in the air and mock it up and see what we get.